So now our next function is square root. So for that, we are taking some number, that is for example 256, 256, and result we are getting as equal to sqrt. This is name of function sqrt. Now parenthesis and the number you can directly type, or you can select the cell in which that value is there, and then parenthesis over and press enter. Now this is result of sqrt function, that is square root of 256 is 16. Now we are going to use one new function, that is integer. So here number we are taking as 75.6, okay? And result here we are getting as the function is equal to, and name of that function, that is int function, in bracket take that value and bracket over. Now you get this integer value, that is the rounded integer whole number. Okay, it gives you the rounded whole number. Now next is round function, wherein we can have rounded off value of any given number. So here we are taking number as 76.6633. Okay, and number of decimal places. Now here we have choice to decide how many decimal places, up to how many decimal places we want to round up this number. So for example, I am taking 2. Okay, and result equal to, function is round in bracket. Now here you can see this, there are two arguments, number and then count, that is decimal places. Okay, so first of all I am selecting this number, then semicolon and decimal places. Okay, so now we have this number rounded off up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so again see this function is equal to round. Okay, select the cell when that number is, then semicolon and then value which is there in number of decimal places and parenthesis over. So these two, which are whatever is there in that function in parenthesis, is called argument of that function. So here it is having two arguments. Okay. Now when I make it 1, you will get different result. Okay, when I make it 0, it will be rounded off to integer value. Okay, like that. Now truncate function. Here we are getting taking some value. For example, number is 1.239. Okay, and places that we want to keep, that is 2. Okay, and result is equal to trunc trunk. Okay, trunc trunk. This is name of function, and when you start parenthesis, it will show you number of arguments and which kind of arguments you are supposed to pass here. So first one is number itself, then semicolon and count. Count means this number of places that you want to keep here. So this cell I have selected, semicolon and 2. Now what will happen? In result, it will keep these first two places after decimal and the last digit will be lost. Okay, like this. And if you have number like this, for example, this is another example, 12.5. Only one uh, place after decimal is there. So instead of, if we want to use truncate function here, since there is only one single place after decimal, this will get lost. So is equal to truncate, trunc in bracket, only one argument we are supposed to provide. Okay, because only one digit is there after that, so press enter. Okay, so if there is only one digit and if we want to use truncate function, at that time there is no need to specify number of places, because this the only one place is there, one digit is there, and it will get truncated. Now what happens if there is something like this, 15.75? Okay, and if you use this truncate function, okay, there are two digits and we are not using number of places, that argument, second argument. So in this case also it will lost all digits after decimal places. It will lose that, both this 7 and 5. Now these are now we are moving ahead to statistical functions. First of all, we are going to find average. Okay, for example, number, there are 5 numbers, and if we want to find out average of these numbers, so the first function that we are going to use is average. Okay, so here the result is equal to average. Okay, in bracket, now range of this cell, okay, from starting to end. For that, click and drag to last place, starting to last place. Okay, so it will take the first value, then colon sign, and the last value. This we can type also. Okay, like this. Okay, so average function will find out average of given range of numbers. Now, whatever numbers we are using, that it is first making total and dividing it by total number of different values that we have used, that is 5, divide by 5, total divide by 5 automatically. So this is average function. Then the next is mode. Okay, now mode function is what? Mode function returns the most common value in a data set. Whichever value is repeating most of the time, we are getting that value as a result in mode function. Mode function, okay, numbers. Here we are going to use the different values, and one I am going to repeat so that we can get that as answer. So 10, 7, 6, 8, 6, and one more 5 we are taking. Okay. So these are the values, and the function is equal to mode and then range of cell that contains different values. Okay, and we are going to find out mode. So since this 6 comes 2 times and all other numbers comes only once, so we are getting number 6 as a result. Now geometrical mean. Now this geomean function returns geometric mean of given numbers. Now we are going to use same numbers and now result we are getting is equal to geomean and then range of cell. Okay, so geometrical mean of this range is 6.821975. Now median function. Now median is defined as middle number of the group when they are ranked in order. Same numbers again. Okay, and the result that is equal to median and then range of values. Okay, now next is countA. CountA function is for what? It returns the total number of cell or arguments which have some value in it. Okay, so if we consider this range, for example from here to here, so here total number of cells are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 twos are 14. In 14 cells there are few cells which are blank, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So out of 14, 5 has nothing inside it. So total 9 cell have some value, that is any value in textual form or numerical form or any formula or function. Okay, like this one. So count a function calculates in a range how many cells are there which has some value. Okay, so here is equal to counting in bracket and now select that range that you want to find out number of cell that contains something. Okay, so here 9 is our answer. Then largest value, find out largest value. So for here the function is large. Okay, and with the same numbers we are going to use this function, for example. And here place, for example, I want to find out second largest. Okay, then the third largest, then the fourth largest of the given range. Okay, so for that is equal to large, this is function, and it has two arguments. First is range of data and the second one is rank, that is second, third and fourth that we are going to find out. Okay, so select this range, semicolon, and place, that is second. I want to find out second largest from this range. Okay, so that is 8. Same way is equal to large and then range of cell, then semicolon, and the rank that I want to find out is third largest, for example. So it is 7. Same way, the third is fourth largest is 6. Okay, so this way this function works. Largest value, and that also depends on rank, not only the largest, most largest value, that is 10, but you can find out on which rank you want the largest value, second, third, fourth, like whatever we have seen. Same way smallest value also we can find out. For that same data I am going to take this one and here is equal to small, again range semicolon, second smallest from the bottom, that is 6. Now the next is equal to small, range again and semicolon, third, third from the bottom, that is again 6. Two 6 are there, so we are getting same result, small, then again range semicolon and fourth one. Okay, that is 7. Okay, so this way it works. Now next is rank. 67, 47, 56, 78, 59 and 66. So these are different numbers. For example, you can consider it as marks of students. And now we are going to find out second rank or third rank like that. Okay, from this number. So for example, we want to find out uh, 59. Okay, in this range 59 is ranked at what place? Okay, that we are going to find out. So is equal to rank in bracket, now value that we want to find out rank for, that is 59. Okay, then semicolon and now range of values. Okay, from this range we are going to find out 59 is at what place. Okay, and then semicolon and put 0 last. Okay, and this parenthesis over and press enter. So it is showing 59 is at fourth rank. So first is 78, second 67, then 66, and then comes fourth rank 59. Okay, so we are getting that result here. Then maximum and minimum function. Okay. So maximum. Now for that same numbers I'm going to use copy paste and result is equal to function is max, max max, and then select the range to find out maximum value among this range. Now the maximum is 78. Same way minimum. The function is mean. Okay, and select the range in bracket as argument. Press enter. The smallest value or minimum is 47.